I saw an advert and I was told I can become a data analyst or data science professional in 6 weeks through their trainings. How true is this? Should I proceed? Should I make payments? I have seen questions like this several times. And here is my opinion, to you. There is no way. There is no way that you can master data science or data analysis, in 6 weeks. It is a journey. And it is good for you to know that it is a journey, and there's no training that can make you become a professional under 6 weeks. So it is important that when you see it as a journey, your focus should then be on, can this training cover the exact learning content or skill that I need to move from beginners to intermediate? Or can this training, take me from intermediate to someone who is experienced? Can this training cover some knowledge gap that I have? That should be your target. And not that this training will make me, a professional under 6 weeks. So, this is important, and that's why I thought of addressing it right now.